In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auto reply on Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll have a professional out-of-office message that sends itself while you're away, so anyone who emails you knows what to expect and when you'll be back. Start by opening your web browser and going to mail.zoho.com, then sign into your account. For the smoothest setup, it's best to do this on a desktop or laptop so you can see all settings clearly. Once you're in your inbox, look to the left side of the screen. Just below the new mail button, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that to open your settings. This is where Zoho keeps the tools that control how your mailbox behaves. In the settings area, scroll down until you find the out of office option. Depending on your layout, it may also be labeled as an auto reply or vacation responder. Click it to open the auto reply configuration page. Now set the duration for your out of office period. Choose the start date and the end date that match the time you'll be away. If your account shows time options, pick the exact time you want the replies to begin and stop. It's a good idea to quickly check that your account time zone is correct so your reply doesn't start or end at the wrong time. Next, select the days you'll be unavailable. If you're away for your entire trip, choose all days. If you only want the auto reply to send on certain days like weekdays or weekends, select those specifically. This helps prevent unnecessary replies on days when you're actually available. Enter a clear, concise subject line. Something like out of office, followed by your return date, works well and makes it easy for senders to understand your status at a glance. Then compose your reply message. Keep it short, friendly, and informative. Include the dates you're away, when you'll be able to reply, and, if appropriate, an alternative contact such as a shared team inbox. Avoid sharing personal details. If you have different audiences, keep the wording neutral so it works for anyone who reaches you. You can use simple formatting for readability if the editor allows it. When everything looks good, click Save. Your settings will take effect for the dates you selected, and Zoho will automatically pause the replies once the end date passes. If your plans change, you can come back to this same page to adjust the dates, update your message, or turn the auto reply off early. That's it. You've set up a reliable auto reply in Zoho Mail so your inbox keeps communicating for you while you're away.